Ready to ditch the messy spreadsheets and build a streamlined CRM that actually works for you. First, let's create a new space in Clickup specifically for our CRM. This will be the central hub for all our customer-related information. Name it something like Sales CRM or Customer Management. Then customize the color and icon to your liking for easy identification. Within your CRM space, set up essential lists to categorize your customer journey: leads for initial contacts, opportunities for potential deals in progress, and clients for your active customers. Think of these as different stages in your sales pipeline. Now, let's add custom fields to each list. This is where Clickup's flexibility shines. In the leads list, add fields like contact name, email, phone, lead source, and status to capture key details. Customize these fields to match the specific information you need to track for each lead. Clickup's task management features allow you to track every interaction with your leads and clients. Assign tasks for follow-ups, schedule calls, and log notes directly within each task. Use comments to collaborate with your team and keep everyone on the same page. Finally, leverage Clickup's powerful reporting features to visualize your CRM data. Create dashboards to track key metrics like lead conversion rates, sales performance, and customer satisfaction. This data-driven approach helps you identify areas for improvement and optimize your sales process.